Hey guys, today we're going to be doing percents to fractions and fractions to percents. We're going to start off with 15%. Now, we know that 15% really means 15 out of 100. So we're going to write that as a fraction. So 15% equals 15 over 100. Now, what we need to do is we need to take that fraction and we need to find the greatest common factors of 15 and 100 so that we can divide and figure out what that fraction is in simplest terms. So we're going to move over to another page and we're going to do that. All right, so we have 15, and 15 is fairly simple. It's 3 and 5. Those are prime numbers, 3 and 5. And 100, I'm just going to do 2 and 50. And that'll be 2, 25. And 25 is 5 and 5. So, match these up. 5 and 5. So nothing else matches. So I know that my GCF is 5. All right. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to divide to show 15 over 100 in simplest terms. All right, we've got our 15 over 100 and we're dividing by 5. All right, so 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 15% converted to a fraction in simplest terms is 3 over 20. All right, let's do another one. Now we're going to work on 45%. And 45% is 45 over 100. And what we need to do is find the greatest common factor for 45 and 100. And we'll do that on the next page. All right, 45 is 9 and 5, 5 being prime. And 9 is 3 and 3. Both of those are prime. And now we go to 100. 100 is 2 and 50. 50 is 2 and 25. 25 is 5 and 5. Match these up. I don't have anything to match with the 3s, but I can match a 5 here. So again, my greatest common factor is 5. Okay, now we're going to move over and we're going to divide 45 and 100 by 5. All right, we have 45 over 100 and we're dividing both by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So our 45% as a fraction, simplest terms, is 9 over 20. All right, guys, I'll be making another video with writing a fraction as a percent. Okay, guys, talk to you in a bit.